All right. Unless anybody else has any thing they want to say, I want to thank you all for coming tonight. Do you want to say something back there? Who's that? Is it a student? I'd love to hear from a student.
I'm a first-year student, and I'd like to say thank you to everyone at CEDAR. It's been a wonderful experience so far, and I know that it's going to be great for the rest of the time.
Thank you very much.
We can't let Jeff just step down. Okay, he's been here for... Actually, I first ran into Jeff way back in the early 80s with HELPS campaigns.
I wasn't around in the early 80s.
Anyway, I remember Jeff for sure. I was kind of envious. I was kind of envious of these young kids who had all this fun. The one thing I do recall, Jeff, over the years, he's picked up whenever invited to participate. And I just want to re-echo to all of you young folks, even though you're scared about these invitations to participate, they do awesome things for your career, as Jeff can witness. It's just a great thing. So now, before we let Jeff step down, let's all raise our glasses and thank Jeff for this awesome job he's done tonight. I think he planned this 25 years ago to bring us back here to home to do this here in Boulder. Here's to Jeff. Thank you very much. Cheers.
I was a little worried it was going to be a roast, which had me a little nervous. But I remember Jan. Jan, it was 1987 when you came to Michigan. I was a graduate student, and he came over to work with Tim Killeen. And since then, I've gotten to know Jan very well, and it's been a pleasure. Okay. Anybody else want to do anything? Open mic. So that's great. This is fabulous. It's a great turnout, a tremendous group of people. And as you can see, for those who are first years or early years in CEDAR, you can see that you build a lot of really close relationships as you spend time over the years working together. And so it's really special in that way. Okay, thank you for the great evening. Thanks all for attending, and enjoy the rest of the week.